Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the not enough memory error in Adobe Illustrator. So if you're getting the error that says you don't have enough memory, then what you need to do to fix this is click on Edit in the top navigation, click on Preferences, and then select Plugins and Scratch Disks. Now underneath Scratch Disks, we want to make sure the secondary matches the primary disk. So because my primary is the C drive, I'm going to change the secondary to the C drive as well. But if, for example, your primary is your D drive, then you want to make sure the secondary is also the D drive. So now we can press OK to save these changes, and you'll then need to restart Adobe Illustrator in order for these changes to take effect. Once you've restarted the application, you can check to see if that solved your issue. If that's still not working, you can come back over to Edit in the top navigation, click on Preferences, and then select General. Now click on Reset Preferences, and then go and press OK. And once again, you'll need to restart Adobe Illustrator, and that should have now solved your memory issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.